Awesome, welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're in Taupo with our partner and a legend in the construction industry down here, John Wade from Wade Construction. Good to see you, mate.
Good to see you.
We're here at their offices and we just sort of get a chance to meet the man behind Wade Construction, take a little bit of a tour and find out a bit more about the business. How long have you been in
business? Oh, we started 1996, so considerable amount of time. And as the rain's getting higher, I think we should probably keep walking this way. I'm a second generation carpenter. My father was a carpenter in Taupo before me, came here in 1957 and worked on the power stations. So
awesome.
Hence we've got a whole lot of my dad's old tools and bits and pieces, and some of my grandfather's, to be honest, which is a bit of a talking point when people come into our office. So it's just a bit of nostalgia. It shows the way things were done in the old days before we had batteries and power, so that's pretty cool. So this is our office in here. We've got 7 people work in the office. So full-time office lady in charge of all the administration. My wife does all the accounts. And then there's myself, and I've got 2 business partners, Richard Gardner, Glenn Moulder, and we have a full-time quantity surveyor, Glenn Hurren. Yeah, we run an average crew of around 30 to 35 people. And we've got a very varied business. You know, we cover lots of things: residential, commercial, industrial. We have a painting and our own jib slopping crew as well. So we can pretty much do your project from start to the finish and keep everything seamlessly running along. So
Brian originally caught up with you and started it, and they did the Dance Biz studio next door for it. So it must be getting close to 10 years. Been working with Brian for.
Yeah, it would be. It's time flies, you know. Waikato Sheds has been a really nice addition to our business. Prior to our association with Brian, we used to get a lot of inquiry for commercial buildings because we've got a strong commercial background. Yeah. And it meant us having to go out to the likes of a structural engineer and get some draft plans done, and then go back to the client and spend a lot of time toing and froing. But there's also a big cost involved with that. So when Brian came along and offered the opportunity to sell Waikato Sheds, it was a lot more user-friendly for us, I suppose, is the best word, because he took care of the engineering and the design structure. We basically had a discussion with our client, talked about sizes of the building, you know, where they want their doors and bits and pieces like that. We send it off to Brian, he does all the hard work, you know. Yeah. Comes back with a nice set of plans and a picture. We can show that to the client. And if everything's good, we go on from there, and then we order the shed. So we'll take care of the full construction package from them. We get our kit set from you guys. Yeah. We do the concrete floors and anything else, all the electrical, plumbing, the whole 9 yards. That really turned things around for us. I was confident that I could offer a solution. Yeah. Prior to that, like I say, it was a protracted, drawn-out system. This one, it works really well.
Yeah, no, it's been a great partnership, being able to, you know, we can take care of what we're good at, the engineers, and then delivering the kit set for you guys, and then you guys do what you guys are awesome at, which is the full construction. So, no, it's been a great partnership. Yeah. Now, outside of that, what are some of the key projects that you guys will have done around the area?
We do a lot of work for the MOE, which is schools. So we do, we've pretty much always got a job on one of the schools floating around in Taupo somewhere. Yeah. Pretty big projects generally too, you know, like the up to 12-month projects. We've just finished 5 new classroom complex down at the Taupo Nui Tier. We're presently just built a 3,000 square metre workshop for a local engineering company with, I think it's got about 400 or 500 squares of offices in there, and that's a pretty top of the line outfit. Big workshops. We do civil works and hydro power stations as well, like quite complex stuff, a bit different. But then, you know, we build award-winning homes as well, so architectural design homes, do a lot of renovation work. Also, we've got a good crew of carpenters, qualified carpenters that are all on the payroll, and we've got a strong connection with Tohu Mai out of Rotorua, so we train a lot of apprentices. Right at this present, we've got 10 apprentices working for Wade Construction, and we are constantly training to bring new people through. So it's when you come to work for Wade Construction, it's a career, not just a job. And a lot of our guys have been here for 20 plus years, so pretty proud of that. So
yeah, that's awesome. And you're saying one of the guys is off to Apprentice of the Year or so?
Yes, yeah, we've just had our apprenticeship New Zealand for the whole of New Zealand. So he won the regionals and he's off to Christchurch next Saturday. So we're fingers crossed he can take it out. So, and that's our third one we've had that's actually made it to to the nationals, so I'm pretty proud of that. It shows that we've got some good guys that are training our up and coming. So, and it's not just guys. We've got quite a lot of females on our workforce as well. Awesome. They're really awesome, and so we're open to anyone that wants to work hard and produce good quality work. So
it's been a great partnership working in with you guys. Yep. It's been great catching up and seeing what's going on and that, and so yeah, I'm really proud to be able to do it, and you know.
Yep. No, we love it. I say we've got a good relationship with you guys, and we want to that may continue. You know, yeah. So and we just never know what's around the corner. That's the thing with Taupo. I mean, we're a versatile building company. We don't like to say no. We like to say yes to everybody, and we're lucky that we've got a large crew and we can pull that off, and yeah, which keeps things interesting. You know, right now we've got 2 Waikato Shed projects on the go in Taupo. Who knows what's around the corner?
It's awesome.
Cool.
Yeah, building this great country in New Zealand, it's phenomenal.
It is, except when it's raining like it is today. But yeah, that's the deal of being a builder. You're not stuck behind the desk all day.
Right, that's it. Awesome. Cool. All right, cheers, John, mate.
Cheers, thank you.